say hi? Say hi. No, right there. Gabe, say hi. Say hi. Blow kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Good job. Yeah. Say happy Thanksgiving and happy almost Christmas. So today we are going to be sharing an apple cookie recipe. Good job. An apple cookie recipe. Originally my goal was to film it while he was napping. He didn't want to nap, so we did it together. They're really easy. They're delicious. He loves them. He is the chef and I am just his assistant. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that now. And give us a big thumbs up for this guy so he'll be in future videos. All right, guys, say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Mwah, good job. Enjoy.